Hello students, my name is Santosh Kumar and I am the course instructor for Machining Sciences and Tool Design. We are discussing module number 3, that is cutting tool materials and machining induced surface integrity. So in this video we will be discussing about PCD, that is polycrystalline diamond. So polycrystalline diamond is having the same properties as a diamond, so which can be used at a speeds which is 50 times higher than the HSS tool which is used as a cutting tool material, and can it machine 1 lakh pieces per setup, so that the productivity is increased, and it is having a high speeds and a low feed and depth of cut. So it is basically a diamond grid that has been fused together under high pressure and temperature conditions in the presence of catalytic metal. So as we have explained in the previous video for a synthetic diamond. So the extreme hardness, wear resistance and the thermal conductivity of diamond make it an ideal material for the cutting tool manufacturing. So PCD tools can machine all non-ferrous materials such as wood or laminated boards or a CFRP, MMCs. So if it has to be used for metal, then metal cutting applications for the active tips of carbide inserts are often provided with a layer of sintered diamond or a CBN. So the carbide insert should be having a layer of diamond or a CBN. So this is for obtained by pressing the particles of synthetic diamond or CBN into tungsten carbide or tungsten carbide cobalt surface and subjecting this to high temperature as explained in the previous video for synthetic diamond. So the same apparatus is used for this one also in a belt apparatus. So usually no binder is used, so sometimes a small amount of cobalt diffuses to the surface and acts as a binder phase for super hard coating. So tools of this sort with an aggregate of diamond or CBN are called a polycrystalline diamond, that is called as PCD, or PCBN, that is polycrystalline cubic boron nitride insets. So they have the same properties in all directions. So PCD has a versatility. It can be used for aluminum components in automotive industry. PCD tip tools increase the process reliability of the machining process in fine boring operations and reaming. So the PCD reamers are used successfully throughout the world for machining of aluminum and non-ferrous metals. So PCD is used for many operations, for many metal cutting and non-ferrous metal cutting operations.